So I was just thinking about maybe I can just review this product because I tried it a couple times and I need to remove my makeup anyway. So it's literally perfect to do that. So today, it's during the day, but tonight, I'm going to be reviewing the Clinique Take the Day Off Cleansing Balm only in this video. And if ever you want me to review the other one, which I have it right there, this Take the Day Off Makeup Remover for lids, lashes, and lips, make sure to tell me down below because I want to know if you want me to review any other products or any other Clinique products or anything. And before we get into this video, make sure to like the video and to consider subscribing to my YouTube channel if you want to see 5 videos a week, Monday through Friday, all on beauty related. So robe is ready. Makeup is kind of oily and kind of crazy and it's time to take it off. We have to check everything, the tea about this product. It is $42 Canadian for 3.8 ounces or 125 milliliters, which is kind of a lot. Like, it's a lot of money. And oh, I just want to tell you, like, I'm a little bit lower because I wanted you to be able to see my bun, like, because my head was gonna get cut off. Anyways, I just wanted to put this out. There's 2 sizes. This one is 125, and for the smaller versions for 30 milliliters, it is $14. This one, I think I paid it with my points. You know, something on the Sephora Bazaar. You've got points you can spend, so I bought this one, and this one is 15 milliliters, and I think it was 100 points or something. What it is a gentle, effective makeup remover that transforms into a balm to a silky oil, melting away face and eye makeup and also sunscreen, because it's important to remove sunscreen as well, very importantly. All right, skin type, normal, dry, combination, and oily. Though I went on the Clinique website and it says literally all skin types, so dry to combination to very dry to all of these things. So Sephora website and Clinique's website is a little bit different. So if you want the accurate information, just go on the original website. Free of phthalates, this product is also vegan, which is amazing for a lot of people, and it removes effortlessly. Dissolves tenacious makeup. Sunscreen, non-greasy, which is important because I literally hate greasy feelings. Non-drying, lightweight formula, nourishes the skin, cleanses thoroughly, and rinses off completely, so all that is left is fresh, visible, dewy glow. It is great for sensitive skin too. And also on the other Clinique's website, it was saying that it was gonna help your skin and it's gonna make it look younger longer. How to use. Use fingertips to massage a balm over the skin. Rinse well with warm water. Pat dry and follow with your Clinique 3-step skincare system. So before I did this review, I obviously tried the product because I wanted to know my first impressions, not just going into it like blindlessly. So I did take a little bit just once. I don't know if I took too much though. Anyways, the bottle, that's what it looks like. It is very cute. Like, it's purple. I love purple. I feel like this color is so relaxing. And this is the small version, so it might be lighter in a way. But I like the packaging. Like, I like this small version because when I finish it, I can clean it and then reuse it with something else, which I love. And then the cardboard, very Clinique, something green and cute as always. And the balm is completely white. No smell. And oh, I want to point out on the box it is said that it is allergy tested, 100% fragrance free, and ophthalmologist tested, which is really important that it's tested on the eyes because some people, they do pair these two together, but some people just buy this once. They don't want to buy both. So that's why I'm only reviewing this one today. And let's take this day off because I have a lot more to take off than only this makeup. So let's get into it. So I'm just gonna, you know, the consistency, what it reminds me of? It reminds me of coconut oil. You know how it's hard and then you have to dig in? It looks like coconut oil. It feels like coconut oil, but it's not coconut oil. I looked at the ingredients and it's not there. I don't know if it's non-comedogenic. So I'm taking this amount of product. It's not that much, but let's find out. And I like that it's becoming like more smooshy and it just becomes into an oil. And I was watching the video as well, you know, and the video, it was saying that when you put water after that, so I didn't put a lot and I'm trying to spread it across. So at first it is really hard. It looks like a balm. It's a balm, right? And then after that, you massage it into your skin and it transforms into an oil. And then after that, when you put water, it becomes like a milk or something. I was like, what what is happening? Like, this is just transforming into a bunch of different products. Like, this formulation might be just magical or something. I don't know. So, as you can see, I look kind of crazy right now, but this is what a balm does. And let's just take this moment to self-care and just massage your temple and do these things. Okay, so I'm gonna have a little bit of black everywhere, but I don't really mind. This is not chic in any way, shape, or form. Like, I'm so sorry if it's not really sexy. And so first impression of this product, I was like, it looks like coconut oil, which again, I went to check. No, there might be like some extract or something, but doesn't mean it's gonna clog your pores. If for sensitive skin, I have sensitive skin, I have acne, so it's very important to take off my makeup properly, because if not, my makeup's just gonna get worse, right? So I need something that is fragrance free, non-comedogenic for sensitive skin, all these things, and I feel like this is working pretty well. What do you guys think? I'm becoming like all black all over because of the mascara and the liner. So I had a bunch of liner. And if you want to know which makeup that I did that I'm removing right now, it is the Selena Gomez de Una Vez. I recreated her makeup look, and I'm sorry, like I look confused, but I don't know how to say it properly. I'm very not confident in my non-existent Spanish, so that's what it is. Okay. So now this has a little bit of water in there. So we'll see. It's saying how to use it. Sometimes in the video you can just either wipe it or you can rinse it. So I'm gonna try to wipe it and see. Oh, I know it's stained, okay? Like, this thing is stained. It's clean, but it's stained. So I'm just going to remove it with this to see how much makeup it removes. Because, you know, sometimes, like, it doesn't really remove everything. And you're like, okay, I have to rinse. I have to put some balm back. But this one, as you can see, like, it doesn't seem like I would have to go back with another balm. Like, another try. But never just remove your makeup with the balm. Just always double cleanse. It's very important, just to make sure that you have everything off. So as you can see, like, this side, the makeup is completely removed. And this side, well, it's still oily and like all of these things. But when I look in the mirror, like, it looks pretty good, even only after taking this. It's like it mixes very, very well with the water. Like, you know, like they say, it becomes an oil. And we all know that oil doesn't mix with water, but it's like this formulation is made to mix with water, which is crazy weird to me. I had mist, I tried oil before. Like, I was literally taking oil and just pouring it over my face, which I really didn't like, to be honest. So this is actually pretty nice. Yeah, so my first impressions, like, I tasted it before, like I told you, because I wanted to know if it was gonna make me break out, and this didn't make me break out. And I have a story to tell you. Like, I was removing my makeup the same way, you know, like I was double cleansing, but with the same cleanser every night. And then once I decided, okay, I'm gonna test this out, and then I'll use a wipe, because New Face sent me some wipes with a product which I'm going to be reviewing soon, and I was testing out the wipes. And then before I tested this cleansing balm, I noticed that I had a lot of makeup left on my face. I was like, oh my god, this is supposed to remove like the rest of the makeup that is like stuck in your skin. And then I was like, okay, so I need to do something. I need to take something more serious, that a balm or something that will remove my makeup, which not to go off, because this one unfortunately is breaking me out for some reason, so I'm not using it anymore. But yeah, so I tested this Clinique balm, and let me tell you, after I cleansed my skin with a cleanser, there was nothing left, like literally nothing, because I tried it back with the wipe and everything, and then I was like, okay, there's nothing left. And it was crazy. I've got a bunch of new products that I'm gonna be testing out, but this one is the Clinique. So I'm sorry if I'm like drifting off. I just needed to talk a bit, okay? Like, I just don't want to be too serious doing product reviews. Like, it still needs to be, you know, some type of way. Anyways, there's always some timestamps down below if you want specific information, so there's no worries about that. I'm gonna be rambling in between. So all right, so I just removed with only this. So this is a microfiber, so this is a makeup eraser, erase your face, that I bought at Marshall's. But anyways, you can buy any microfiber that you want. I put water in it, and I just cleansed with I just removed it with that, with it says warm water, but this one was more cold than warm. How my skin feels, it feels like hydrated, but it feels clean, which is weird to me because it's a cleansing balm that transforms into an oil and into a milk. So it's kind of like these weird things. But honestly, my skin feels fantastic. It feels really great. So just so you know I'm not cheating, look, I'm pushing my table. I'm pushing my microphone up. And you can see, look, so my skin, literally look at my eyes, like no trace of mascara whatsoever. No trace of eyeliner. Nothing. It looks clean. Looks clean. Completely clean. Okay, so what do I have to say about this product? My skin feels clean. I'm still gonna be going to double cleanse, but I'm telling you, after you clean your face after taking this off, like even like my eyes, just by removing it with this microfiber, it doesn't feel oily. It doesn't feel like anything. And it's crazy because in the video they were showing in the Clinique, they were just showing that and then they were ready to go like, whoo. Well, I don't recommend that. Just double cleanse just to make sure. But it's like my face is completely clean, which is weird to me. Like it's a balm. It's not supposed to be that great, you know? But it is great. It is really amazing. I really like this product, to be honest. Like I am choquette to the core. Like I've never tried a makeup remover that was this good. Like I had cleansers, makeup removers before, and they were never that good. Did you ever see 1 inch of makeup on my skin? Like it doesn't look, it looks almost dry. Like it looks like my skin is completely clean, that I double washed it before I even moisturized. Like that's how clean it is. Like I don't know if I have something white to smudge my face on. Just a second. Okay, so this is not white, but it's clean. Okay, so it's kind of yellow. I don't really have any white towels because it gets stained too much. So let me check if it passes the towel test without even double cleansing. Let me check because there's nothing. Do you see even? There's nothing. Nothing. Oh my God. And I had so much. I had so much things. It even passes the towel test without even double cleansing. This is crazy to me. Okay. This thing, it's in my basket right away. I'm buying the full version and that's about it. This is going to change my skin so much. It's going to help my skin so much. I needed this in my life. So anyways, I recommend it. If you tried it before, tell me down below. Like there's a bunch of reviews and it's like 4.8 stars out of 5 on Sephora. And it's almost 5 stars, I think, on the Clinique website. So it's a really, really good product. So anyways, tell me down below what you think about this product, if you tried it before, and if you like this review, if you want me to do more like these, make sure to like the video. And again, to consider subscribing to my YouTube channel if you want to see 5 videos a week, Monday through Friday, all on beauty related. So thank you so much for watching. I really, really love you, beauties, and I will definitely see you in the next one. Bye, beauties.